everybody. So today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. So I'm excited for this one because I really want this one to kind of be like a Halloween theme type of makeup look. Like I'm more so gonna use colors that go with like the Halloween type of theme. So I'm going to be using a color from this one and also probably like two from this one. We're gonna start off with my AOA Perfect Studio BB cream like we usually do. I'm going to apply some of it onto the brush. I'm gonna put it right here on my forehead. I'm gonna put it on my forehead and then down on my nose and underneath my nose. Apply a little bit more underneath my nose again. And then I'm going to take some off from my forehead and put it on my eyes, my eyelids, and my chin, and a little bit underneath the tape. And then obviously once I finish blending all of this in, then I'll move on to my eye where the tape is. Like I'll move the tape and blend that portion in and then move on to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna spray the brush, the bristles a little bit, because I always do that before I start blending, and it helps with the blending process. And when I spray, I only spray just a little bit because you don't want to spray too much because you'll make the brush extremely wet. So now we're gonna blend this in, and I'm just gonna dab it around and blend it in circular motions all around my face until all the product is blended in. When you're blending it, be gentle, don't be so rough. There's no reason to be rough. And I like to turn my face around, you know, like side to side, just because it helps with the blending process. So that's blended in. As you see, when I blend it in, I'm just dabbing. And that's really all you gotta do is just dab it. Alright, now we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with this color right here. We're just gonna go in circular motions. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. Bear with me, bear with me. It might look crazy now, but it's going to look good. But this is definitely going to be a Halloween themed makeup look. I'm going in with this color Black Bat on my left eye after I just finished doing the right eye. For some reason, I feel like it's always easier to blend the makeup in on the right eye than it is on the left eye. Ooh, I'm looking kind of wild. Okay. Alright. So, that's what that's looking like. The way it's looking like that. I want that to stay like that because it's just going to go with the look overall. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the next color, which is going to be this color right here where my finger is pointing at. And this color actually has a little bit of glitter in it, so I think it's kind of going to be cute. We'll see. We're going to call this color Wicked Sparkle. Yeah, Wicked Sparkle. And it goes perfectly because this color actually has glitter in it. It's a sparkly, you know, eyeshadow color, so it goes together. I'm only gonna add a little bit, not a lot. So I added it to my right eye, and now let's go with the left eye. Bear with me. This look is gonna be so cute. You guys are gonna see me so happy at the end once you see the results of this, because I already know that this look is gonna be really cute. I just know this. Okay, now I'm going in circular motions on my left eye like I did the right eye. So we're going in with this color right here, Silver, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid to top this look, and then the eyeshadow part will be done. So cute. This is my first time actually using this silver color. And we're moving on to the left eye. I meant to mention that, I'm sorry. You see I was getting confused. I almost said the right eye when I already did the right eye. Okay. Guys, I watch a lot of makeup tutorials like all the time. That's how I really learned how to get better at makeup. I just watch a bunch of makeup tutorials. Makeup is not something I do for a living. Just to clarify that and just to put that out there, I don't do this for a living. I don't. I feel like I just do it as a hobby. Like it's just something I do out of fun. But I could never see myself, you know, doing this as like a job because it's not really my thing. And I'm not into it like that as much to make it be, you know, something that I would do all the time. But it is something that I do just for fun. I'm done with both of them, so now I'm going to remove the tape. And I'm going to go back in with the brush that I was using in the beginning, which was this one, to fill in that space. This looks really good. I wasn't expecting this to look like this. Okay, for the highlight, I always start at the bridge of the nose and then the tip, and then I do that. See that? And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. These brushes are like so soft. I love every single one of them. I don't like brushes, makeup brushes, where the bristles be too hard, because that's extremely uncomfortable. But when it's soft like this, it's just so easy to work with. And it just feels so smooth and relaxing on my face as I'm like blending. So I love that. Alright, now let's blend in the nose tip and the nose bridge. I like this highlight color. It's really cute. Okay. I just knew this look was going to be cute. I just knew it was. Okay. See that? So cute. You gotta do the liquid eyeliner. But when I do it this time, I'm only gonna do it halfway. I'm not gonna do like a full thing of it. Yeah, I only did it halfway like that, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not doing it all the way on the eyelid like I did last time. Okay. This is what it's looking like. Applying the mascara, but with the mascara, I only do the top lash and the bottom lash, and then that's it. This look is so cute though. I had no idea how this look was going to be, but I'm glad that it did turn out the way it did, because it was extremely good. Next, I'm going to do my setting spray, because that holds everything together, because you don't want it to get messed up or anything. Close your eyes. Done. Just let it dry up, and after that, that's really it. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.